Alright. Hey everyone. Today we're going to be working on our Jeep. This is an 83 Jeep Wagoneer. Today's task is to work on the rear door window division bar. So the window has seals that the window rolls up into it when you close it. So this Jeep has been sitting in a yard for many years, and the seals are now cracking, breaking, and falling apart. So today we're going to take the door apart, take out the windows, and we're going to replace these division bars. And they have a new felt inside. They have a new bar. The thing that we have to do, we have to take the rear flag window, and we have to remove the rivets currently holding it together. We're changing out the bar, and then we have to put new rivets in. So we'll start with the rear passenger door, and we'll go from there. We're going to be replacing the division bar in this rear passenger door. So we're going to take you through the steps to do that. We've got them written down. We highly suggest whenever you go through a process that you write down the steps you took to get there, because when you go back and do it again, it makes it easier the next time. So we've gone through this process a couple times. We've got our list, so we're going to start. So these doors have electric windows, and so we're disconnected from the battery. We have created our own wiring harness to connect to the window motor, and we're going to connect it to a 12-volt battery. So I'm connecting these. So we'll just touch the end of these to 12-volt. Touching it one way will make the window roll up, switching it will make it come down. This is the down. So we're just lowering the window so we can get to the bolt heads. There's two of them. One is right here in this opening, and there's one right here in this little round opening. I think we're in the right position. Okay, let's try it. Once we loosen these and take them off, then the windows will slide freely, and we want to hold on to it so it doesn't fall. They were both out. Alright. So we're going to push this window up. When the old window tracks are in, then these windows will fall by themselves, so you need to hold it up with something. Tape would work. We're using these clamps as well. Either way, something to hold the window up. Alright, so the door latch is loose now. I need to take this part out, so I'm going to disconnect this little bar here. This little has a little metal clip. It just needs to be pushed off, and then it kind of sits there. And then this can be pulled off like that. This can be pushed up out of the way. And this can come out of this hole. So these two things disconnect right here. This just gets pushed on and then it locks on. It's got a spring-loaded backside, so it holds it together. So this has to be pushed in and then it'll lock back on. That's how it stays together inside the door.
At this point, you'd want to hold your window to keep it from dropping down. We've already replaced our track seal on here, so the window's in there pretty solid. It doesn't move on its own. But we're ready to drop the.
I need to hold on. I need to take these. I need to get this track loose.
Oh.
So one
One more bracket to come off. So, window goes all the way down and as far as you can go till it touches the bottom of the door. Switch spots. You're always on this side. Okay. So we're touching there, touching there. You want to loosen this up.
Okay.
Okay. Hold that.
Pull it back a little bit.
So last time we lifted that just a hair. Put the light back down inside here. Pull. Can you reach down in there and just try and pull the window out? Yep. So the best trick we've found for popping the window out of the track is using a set of channel locks. You're just grabbing onto the track right inside this hole right here. You'll be able to see down inside here, right at the top corner of the window is where it's still held in. You can grab the track and just kind of pull back on it, maybe twist a tiny bit, and then the window will pop out of the track. Turn it. Pull this down.
Sweet. More's good. More better.
So we've already replaced our window track on the top and the front edge. This is not factory. Your factory one is going to be more solid piece that only goes from here to here. As far as getting the flag window, drop it down inside the door. You're just going to bend this rubber to get it down inside, and then the top will pop out. And you just got to figure out the best way to twist it to get it out of there.